In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove green screen background in OBS Studio. First, open OBS Studio. When it launches, look toward the bottom of the window for the panel labeled Sources. This is where you tell OBS what to capture. If it's empty or already has a few items, that's fine. We're going to add your camera as a source so you can key out the green screen behind you. Click the plus icon in the Sources box, choose Video Capture Device, and create a new one. Give it a name if you like, then select your camera from the device dropdown. You should see a live preview. If you don't, make sure the right camera is chosen and that no other app is using it. While you're here, it's helpful to set the resolution and frame rate to match your project so the preview looks crisp and smooth. Good lighting will make everything easier. Aim for even light on the green screen, avoid harsh shadows, and try not to wear green. Now that your camera is in the scene, right-click that camera source in the sources list and choose Filters. A new window will pop up with two areas. Focus on the section labeled Effect Filters, because that's where we'll add the green screen removal. In the Effect Filters section, click the plus icon and select Chroma Key. OBS will prompt you to confirm, click OK to add the filter. By default, OBS applies sensible starting settings, and in many cases, you'll see a big improvement right away. If needed, change the key color type to green to explicitly target a classic green screen. If your background isn't perfectly green, you can still dial it in with the sliders. Let's fine tune. The similarity slider controls how aggressively OBS removes the background. Slide it up slowly until the green disappears, but stop before parts of your face, hair, or clothing start vanishing. If you go too far, you'll notice holes or a cutout that looks crunchy. Just back it off a bit. Next, use the smoothness slider to clean up the edges of your outline. Increasing smoothness can soften rough edges and reduce minor spill, but too much will blur your subject. The goal is a crisp subject with no green fringing and no see-through areas you don't intend. If the key still looks off, revisit your lighting, flatten any wrinkles in the screen, and keep some distance between you and the background to reduce spill. Once it looks clean in the preview, you're done. Your camera now has a transparent background in OBS, ready to use in any scene.